Welcome to In the Kitchen with Mata. Today I'm gonna be preparing a 3-bean salad. I have my carrots already done, so I'm gonna prepare the beans, boil them, and we start the salad. So we start by removing the tips. Then we cut in the middle. So we're done with the beans and we're going to boil them until they are just tender. So you cover the vegetables with the water and we put some salt and we're going to boil covered just a few minutes until they're tender. So the beans and carrot are boiling now, and we're going to continue and chop our onion and green pepper. And the onion is done. So now coming to the green pepper, I've already prepared a bit. Our beans are done boiling now. I'm going to drain the water and we continue. So here are the drained beans. I'm going to put some oil in the pot over medium heat and I put in the onions. We're frying the onions and we're going to add some garlic. Don't be like me, use a spoon instead. And we're adding the green pepper. Now I'm adding the spice. I'm using the warm Freddy Legacy. And I'm using Aromat. And just a sprinkle of salt. So we're adding these boiled vegetables in here. Please do it in batches. And stir well. So now we're going to add the honey and mustard dressing. And I'm going to add the peach chutney, sorry. So at this point, you have to turn off the heat. So I'm turning off the heat completely. And I'm going to add some kidney beans. And I'm going to add some butter beans. So now I'm adding these butter beans. And I'm going to add half of the broth. Okay, even all of it. So we turn the heat off so that the beans don't get all mushy. We still need to keep our salad crunchy. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and cover it for a minute. And the salad should be done. So 1 minute covered and the salad will be ready. Okay, so this is our 3-bean salad already, and it's called 3-bean because we use 3 types of beans. So whatever choice of beans you want to use, just make sure they are 3 so that it can be a 3-bean salad. So this is my own version of the 3-bean. I'm going to dish up just a little bit so you can see all the colors. So this is our 3-bean done. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again next week, same time, same place. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with all your friends and like.